Good morning, children. Today we will write A to Z cursive writing. Write date on the left side and classwork on the right side corner. Heading A to Z, like this. Let us start. A. Slanting line, half circle, up, join here, come down and out. Once again, I am showing how to write A. Slanting line, half circle, up, join here, come back and out. B. Big slanting line, make a hook, come down, back, half circle and kick out. C. Slanting line, half circle, C. Slanting line, half circle, up, up, touch the red line, come back and out. A, B, C, D. E. Slanting line, make a loop, come down and out. F. Slanting line, make a loop, come down and touch the red line. Curve, up, join here and out. F. G. Slanting line, half circle, up, join here, come down, touch the red line and out. H. Big slanting line, make a loop, come down, back, slipping line, come down and out. I. Slanting line and half circle, dot. I. J. Slanting line, big slanting line, touch the red line, loop, out and dot. Big slanting line, make a loop, come down, back, small half circle and slanting line, kick out. K. L. Big slanting line, make a loop, come down and fold this. M. Slanting line, come down, up, down, up, down and out. M. N. Slanting line, come down, back, come down and out. N. O. Slanting line, half circle, up, 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 join where you start and out. O. P. Big slanting line, make a loop, come down, touch the red line, back, half circle and out. Q, slanting line, half circle, up, join where you start, come down, touch the red line, slanting line. R, slanting line, make a loop, sleeping line and half circle. S, slanting line, make a loop, backward half circle and out. S. T, big slanting line, come back and curve and small sleeping line. T. U, slanting line, curve, come down, curve, up, down and kick out. Slanting line, curve, slanting line and loop. Slanting line, make a curve, up, down, up, make a loop and out. X, slanting line, backward half circle, again half circle, X. Y, slanting line, curve, up, down, touch the red line, make a loop and out. Y. Z, slanting line, make a loop, come down, again half circle, make a loop and out. Z. Thank you.